You guys, when I was naming my company, I just decided we're going to call it Khalees to keep it simple. And I just want to show you exactly what we've got for you on our website. And if you come in here, I am on the computer and I'm going through what's on the website. And you can look at this on a browser or however you want to get to it. But we're going to look at the big version today as I take you through a little tour. When you come into the homepage of the website right here, you're going to see all the things. Right at the top, you can see all our social media. So if you've been following us on one social media and you're watching this on one, but you want to come over to another, you can. We have Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We have all of those. And I'm going to show you a really neat trick about that too when you come into the website. So if you're not a design school student and you would like to become one, when design school is open, you can get to there right by clicking this button. When you do that, it's going to take you right over to our design school website. So it's really easy. You can sign up there and you can learn all about it. So that's the first super duper easy trick. Now I'm going to back up and we're going to take you back over to Khalees.com. So when you go to visit the shop, you're going to immediately go into shopping if you're in the mood for shopping. And if you just don't want to browse everything, then you can go directly into things like this. Like I can click under greenery here, and we're going to bump right into all of the greenery. And usually as new greenery comes in for the different seasons, the newest greenery will be at the top for the current season. In most cases, if someone has bought it out of season, it might bump up a little, but you can see here, we've got all the beautiful greens. And all of this is available for you to purchase on Khalees.com. So a lot of people know that I'm out doing videos and I'm showing you how everything's done all the time. But truly, we have an entire website with supplies, inspiration, tutorials. And then when you are ready to learn more in depth how to design, you come join us in design school. And there we have a weekly class with in-depth trainings where you can totally learn how to make floral designs at a higher level. And that's also part of this. So I'm going to close that window as we go into the greenery, but you can go directly into ribbons. If you click on ribbons, it's going to take you right into our ribbons. And then as you get into the ribbons here, you can sort different ways here by popularity, by the rating, price, if you want to look for low price or high price. But right now it's going to just do it by what is the current ribbons we're using. So we have that really fancy ball trim ribbon that was like killer. I used that in a wreath the other day, but you can see coming down, we've got our bees. Of course, we've got that lacy open weave. So many neat ribbons here. And remember, I'm showing you supplies on Khalees.com that you can buy to support your wreath making, but you also can totally get in here and learn some tutorials. And we have that set up a couple of different ways, okay? We have a blog, and what you're going to, oh, someone's looking at some orange pumpkins. I love it. Getting ready for fall. So if you will come into here, you're going to see to browse the video library. So come on in and we're going to take a look at what's going on in the video library. And this is our blog. And we changed it from the word blog. We use the word video library because it truly is a video library of all the neat projects that we do, but they're also broke down step by step. So you can learn what we're making. So right now we have featured the purple wildflower wreath and a year-round greenery wreath. But as you come down, there's different holidays sorted here. So if you wanted to get a jump on like patriotic, you could come in and click patriotic, and you have all kind of things. We've got our Americana DIY flag door hanger here. And immediately you can click in and watch the video here. You've got some finished pictures. And then it tells you the supplies we used on it right here. And you've got all your directions to take you through the steps, especially if you prefer written directions. This is a great way to see that. Now, you can go into different areas here on the website too, where you are looking more at our blog. So I can go over here to our latest upload right here was the froggy shoe arrangement. Super duper cute. Adorable. Here's the video. If I wanted to go watch that, it would take me right over to YouTube. And then I could see the pictures and see what was in there and what we used in the actual project. So I think that works really, really great. So there's a couple of examples of what you can see on our blog. And don't forget, there's all kind of different seasons over here. If you wanted to learn styles, you go to centerpieces. And this is free content on Khalees.com. So not only can you shop on here with all the goodies, but guess what? You're getting inspiration.